Bird nga. What up guys, it's your boy Cielshock from CTUSA Mini4wd Racing Squad, and I'm a teacher here in Noobworx. Back at it again, and you've seen the intro. We have an unboxing of a bird. No, actually it's the Sally Racer kit. Before we start our video, I'll say shout out to TRT, Tuners Racing Team. Tuners Racing Team sent me this very nice jersey with my name in the back. Thank you so much. Jason Kidd, the head marshal, Tuners Racing Center. They have pro stock tune class races over there for advanced and beginners. They are located in Caloocan. Their schedule is on their page, and you can hit up Jason Kidd for that. And also, this is not 2015 to 17 anymore. We have people that making their own commentator drops. Shout out Sonic Boom, shout out Overrev, shout out High Speed Matrixx Oil. If you're looking for a commentator drop that's really amazing, suits up for your racing style, you have 3 options now. You can hit me up for High Speed Matrixx Oil, Sonic Boom, or Overrev, or you can hit them up directly on their accounts. But you have options now. I will have a review about Overrev and Sonic Boom soon, so stay tuned with that. And also, I want to say shout out to Cape Master. If you're looking for a cape that suits up for your open class mini 4-wheel drive category car, Cape Master is one of the best in the world. He's located in the Philippines. He have his Facebook, IG, WhatsApp. Look for him, Cape Master. It's one of the best. Thank you so much. And also, I want to say shout out to Case Master. He's good at making some pit dividers, any 3D printing stuff for motor case, battery case. Case Master, also shout out to you. Also, I want to say shout out to Romel if you're living in Canada. Romel Custom Works. I think his name is Romel Custom Works. He's also good at 3D printing, same as Case Master. But if you're US based or Canada based, you can also hit him up. Also, I want to say shout out to MCP. MCP, McCoy Custom Print. He prints everything, as he said. Battery checkers, speed checkers, motor boot camps. That's all MCP. Shout out to you, MCP. And last but not the least, obviously, I want to say shout out to Hypertune Builds. Hypertune Builds, one of the best. If you're looking for an open class car and you have no time to build it, there's only one person you can trust. Hypertune Builds. Shout out Hypertune Builds. Alright, enough of the shout out. Let's get into this. Alright, so for today, we are going to unbox the Mini 4-wheel drive Sally Racer by Line Friends. Alright, so before we open the box, let's gonna take a look at the box really quick. This is a VZ chassis, as you can see. It is a VZ chassis by the picture. It is, I think there's a co-licensure with the Line Friends, so basically it's like a collab. This is a fictional character, Sally. And if you look at the box here, it says made in Japan. Although it's a Korea special limited edition, Line Friends, it is made from Japan. So this is not made in the Philippines. So you know what they say, when it's made from Japan, it's actually like more premium quality compared to where other places it's made of. But it's a hit or miss sometimes. And if you turn around the box, you can take a look. You have all the parts that you're looking for over there. As you can see, it's a bright yellow VZ chassis, but that I'm always praying for, and they finally release it. And it is a 4x4 mini 4-wheel drive series, and it's an item number 92452. So that's Sally Racer. So let's open the box. Alright, so let's start here. Alright, so you can see right from the top, you got the VZ chassis, ABS, yellow. So you can see it's like a yellow-orange kind of thing. And for me, I use it for open class. Obviously, I cut this bitch out. You already know the drill. I love using this on tune class because it's ABS, you know, bright yellow, so it can be seen on the track. And VZ chassis is very lightweight, so I can use this for B-Max too, but I don't go crazy with the motors. But you can use it for tune class, B-Max, even box stock, high-speed box stock. You can use it in open class. So this chassis is very useful. All right. Moving forward, we have the A parts. So the A parts are also yellow. As you can see, it's a VC chassis. All the A parts are yellow. The catch, you know, the body lock, and all the rear bumper and front bumper is all yellow. And then you have the low friction polyoxymethylene high-speed rollers, which is good. It's faster than the regular rollers. Very useful. And the next part will have the fin type. So you can see this is the fin type carbon wheels. This is very useful nowadays. People use this in tune class, especially here in US. They use it to for B-Max too. This is very useful. People pierce this because this is very durable. And you can use this for open class because people trim their tires, and instead of having a large diameter tire and trim it, they have now this medium diameter tire. Even though it says small in the box, this is actually a medium diameter tire, and they trim it to small. Carbon fin type wheels. And then moving forward to that, we have this polyoxymethylene low friction bushings. You have the terminals. You have the grease in there. A regular propeller shaft. 60mm wheel shaft that you can use for tune class, because here in the US we don't allow piercing on basic tune class. But some places allow to, but 60mm is useful because we use it for our basic tune class. You got your bronze terminal, as I've said, and then you have the 3-5-1 gear ratio, high-speed gear ratio with your pink crown gear. So you got your bushings over there, which is polyoxymethylene bushings that you can use for stock races too. Okay, moving forward, we have this orange, very nice orange hard tires, medium diameter hard tires, which is I love for color matching. They rarely release orange, but they finally release orange on this kit. It's very nice. You can use this for tune class, box stock. Obviously, if you don't dismantle the kit, you can use this for box stock. But I said basic tune class, any kind of tune class, B-Max, and open class. People trim this for color combination, but also it's a hard tire, so it's actually very useful. It will not bounce as much as the regular slick tire, but you can combine this with a super hard tire or low friction tire, sandwich it, split it in half, and you can use this for open class, and you have that bright orange. Thank you so much, Tamiya, for having this orange one. All right, moving forward, we have its body shell. As you can see, it's a translucent ABS orange body shell where Sally rides. You know, it's not too heavy, not too light. I probably use it in box stock if I want to. I will not use this for any categories that I'm racing besides box stock. But if I'm gonna build this, I'm gonna probably display this. And you also have Sally. That's the rider. You know, usually if they have a racer, or koala racer, or lupin racer, they have Sally over there. Very cute. It's a bird. Bird, yeah. And also, these are the decals. These are the foil. These are foil aluminum decals. So you can see these are aluminum stickers, and it looks really bright and friendly. Would I put it personally? Maybe not. Maybe yes. But very good artwork. So you can see the reflective stickers. And also the most important thing, that's why this thing is so expensive, is the Sally motor, Torque Tune motor. This is a limited edition Torque Tune 2 Sally Torque Tune motor. There are some rumors that it's faster or torquey, more torquey. We'll find out when we break in. Personally, I used it, and it performed very well. And then you have your traditional instructions here. It's written in English and Japanese. Alright, so there you go. You've seen the unboxing of this bird. Pretty tiny bird, huh? Sally Racer. I love this kit. Retails around, like, I think $35. $35 here in US. I don't know how much in other places, but here in US it's like 35 and above. It's understandable because the shipping fees and stuff, and to get here because it's a Korea special, but it retails like $35 and up. And for me, I can justify that because one, it's a yellow chassis, which is very rare, and also you already have your fin type carbon wheels over there with the orange hard tires, and then, you know, obviously you have your low friction rollers, and the motor. The motor is a torque tune too, so that alone, you know, you already have your money's worth. You have a carbon pin type, hard tires, the 3-5-1 gear ratio, which is have your money's worth, obviously, and, you know, the torque tune motor. And all in all, this is a good kit. VZ chassis, it's made from Japan, so you already know it's gonna be premium. I have no complaints about it. If you have any suggestions, comments, or anything to say about Sally Racer that I missed, please hit me up in the comment. I don't mind. Hit a like, thumbs up, and look forward for more videos to come. I got a lot of videos lined up, so I'm gonna be cramming because I took a break since winter time. Because winter time, it's Christmas time, family time, you know, all that stuff. But now we're heading out to spring. It's back to Mini 4-wheel drive season 2025, and hopefully you guys are there for me too. Throughout my adventures, we're gonna have a lot of unboxing, racing, reviews, all that kind of stuff. This is Cielshock from CTUSA Mini 4-wheel drive racing squad. I'm a teacher here in Noobworx. Back at it again. Hit the subscribe button and like. Always race humble. Peace.